In this video, we want to make a pixel art together, and while making this pixel art, we will learn about fraudsters who are looking to empty your account. How do you think these fraudsters want to get money from you? One of their methods that always hits you is that they send you messages through direct Instagram or Twitter and give you a much higher price than the price that you have minted that NFT. They give. At that moment, you are overwhelmed by your emotions and you don't know what to do. Here you tell that person to give you this offer from OpenSea, but he disagrees and gives excuses like, OpenSea doesn't work for me, or my wallet doesn't connect to OpenSea. Make sure from here that he wants to cheat. OpenSea is the biggest site for buying and selling NFTs, and he can easily give you an offer from there. When you agree that you want to do this transaction through another way than OpenSea, after going through some steps, he will tell you that you have to pay $100 or more for the gas fee and deposit it into that person's wallet. By this point, you must be sure that that person is a fraud and just wants to steal your money. Based on the cases I have seen, after you deposit that $100, they make another excuse and say that you need to deposit $1,000 or $2,000 or to the wallet so that we can receive your NFT. You might say now that definitely no one does this, but it is not. When you see the price he gives you at that moment, you get emotional. At the same time, you decide with your feelings, not with your brain. Because you have seen that very high price, you say to yourself that if I deposit this $2,000, I will receive more, so I will do this. But when you deposit the money to him, you realize your mistake and he says that you have to pay more to get your NFT to him. Beware of these fraudsters and do your transactions through OpenSea. Be sure that someone who wants to buy a product with a price of $20 will never pay $1,000 for it. Good luck. Watch and enjoy the rest of the video by drawing this pixel art.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.